How to stop automatically following other Instagram accounts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop automatically following other accounts on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Instagram. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, the reason why your Instagram is following other accounts automatically can be due to your account being open in someone else's device. If that's the case, they can be the one that are following someone else. So what we do here is we'll head over to the bottom right corner on the profile option. And after that, tap on the three lines on the top right. After you tap on the three lines on the top right corner, what we'll then do is we'll just change we'll just log out of our accounts. So tap on account center on the top. And after you tap on accounts center, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to choose where you're logged in. So to find where you're logged in, you can just head over to password and security. And after you're on password and security, you will see under security checks where you're logged in. So simply tap on where you're logged in. And after you do that, you'll need to select your account. So I'll just select my account here. And after you select your account, there you will see all the devices where you're logged in. So you can just select the device to log out and just select each and every devices. After that, log out from all of these devices. And now you can just secure your Instagram account. You can add multiple factor authentication, you can change your password and do stuff like that. And that's basically it. And that is how you can stop automatic following of other Instagram accounts from your account. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for